Okay, people. We got the Oknife LK. That would be that there. And all its glory. It's something I think we've all been wanting for a long time. And Olight's the one to do it. Olight, Oknife. It's a knife. EDC knife with a flashlight built in. And it's quality. It's not jank or, you know, you know what I mean. It's like that deep carry pocket clip. And they even recessed it wonderfully. Material feels like a chalky feeling to it. It's a flipper and it's button lock. And it's a lot like a lot of the Olights. It's got a low and a high, and I don't think it's got a moonlight mode. It's got the turbo, double click, put you in turbo. And it also has some like RGB lighting, like different colors. It has a red light. I haven't used it yet. I haven't had this very long, but yeah, it's got the flipper tab. I'm not like too excited about the blade shape they chose with it. I wish it was more a little streamlined, didn't have the curve, but it works great. Cuts through boxes. It's got an M390. Yeah, M390 blade, which is anybody that knows knives, that's pretty good for like $100 knife. To get the flashlight, a wonderful flashlight, great deep carry pocket clip, great blade steel. I think it's like $125 regular price. And I mean, it's perfectly centered. I don't know if it's running on just regular, I don't know if it's bearings or if it's just regular phosphor bronze washers in there. I don't know, it's pretty smooth. But man, this thing is nice. Get your hands on it. I mean, I haven't had it long, but it's Olight. And I mean, the quality's there. I've been using it for, I don't know, a week now, a few days. I don't know. It hasn't been out that long. But yeah, you got the M390 steel. You got a aluminum handle. And that deep carry pocket clip. I mean, this is going to be probably what I carry. I mean, I always carry a flashlight. I always carry a knife. And everybody knows, it's extra to carry them separately. You're taking up pocket space. I mean, yeah, you could get a better knife and a better flashlight to carry them separately, but not much better. I mean, you got great blade still, got deep carry pocket clip. It's not very big. You notice huge savings in your pocket and in weight. Here, I got a scale here. Let's weigh it. Do, 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 do. 3.2 ounces. What is a bug out? A Benchmade bug out's like 2.8? I don't know, 2 ounces. I don't know about the bug out. Maybe that's like 1.8 ounces. But for under 3 ounces for this is excellent. That's nothing. Nothing. You know, like this flashlight here, that's like over 8 ounces. But it's got two 18650 batteries in it. Excellent flashlight. And, but yeah, if you get your hands on it, USB-C charging. I mean, it's a little thick, you know, but it's, if you're going to carry a flashlight and a knife, yeah, you're not going to care about that. It's not bad at all. I've already opened up some Amazon boxes and cut through some, see, what did I cut? See, I cut some boxes open, and I cut some rubber hose with it, and I'm sure this is going to do just great. That button lock, there's no blade play or nothing. It's tight, perfectly centered. This is a gem, an absolute gem. Get one. I don't make any videos like sponsored or anything by anybody or nothing. It's just something I think a lot of us have been wanting for a long time that's quality. You can get some knives out there with the flashlight, but you know, it's like, it's jank, it's junk. This is something that's actually quality, and I think it's gonna hold up. And it's fun. It's a fun EDC to carry. You pull this out of your pocket, and it's like, oh, you get a knife? Yep, there you go. You got a flashlight? Yep, there you go. And I'm gonna carry this, take this to work, and it's gonna be my new everyday carry. Olight did a wonderful job, and thank you so much to bringing this to the market and such at a great affordable price. I'll probably get a couple more actually. Maybe get some different colors on the scale. I mean, this is fine, but it's got a chalky kind of feel to it. Very light. Yep, there you go. Oknife LK, that's the model. Later, people.